Hi, good morning. Today we are going to learn about one of the season about summer in Europe. It is summer from June to August. So from the month of June to August, these Europeans are going to have summer season. It doesn't rain much there and is more sunshine. So there it doesn't rain more during the summer season and there will be more sunshine, like sunrises will be more. The days are longer and longer than our country too. So we have longer days during summer and shorter nights, right? So the same way they also have longer days when comparing than us. When comparing to us also they have longer days. The sun rises as early as 4 o'clock in the morning and sun sets after 8 o'clock in the evening. During summer season, so the sun is going to set at 4 o'clock in the morning, but for us, by 5:30 we'll be having sun rises, right, during summer season. But these people, the people who are living in Europe, in summer season they have sunrises, early sunrises by 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 a.m., and sunsets and it becomes evening by 8 o'clock. Means see the day, it is so longer day, right? In fact, in the northern countries like Sweden, the sun doesn't set at all. So in northern countries like Sweden, the sun doesn't set. Means it will be completely a day. It seems sun evening sunset will not be happening. They are not like they may not see evenings. These countries are called lands of midnight sun. So during midnight also they'll be having sun rays. So that those countries are called what, lands of midnight. Means during midnight also they are able to see the sun, no? So these countries are called lands of midnight sun. Nevertheless, it doesn't get very hot. Though they are able to see the sun, it is not very hot there. Though even in the midnight they're having sun rays, they don't feel very hot, but we feel very hot, right? This is because the sun doesn't rise high on the sky and remains close to horizon. Means here for us sun rays will be directly on our head, rises on our head, so we'll be having so, like we'll be feeling very hot. But here for them, though the sun is able, or like they can able to face the sun even in the midnight also, but it is not very like very hot, and it remained close to the horizon, not straight on their head. It is horizontally close to that earth, and sky seems to meet where it will be, the sun rays will be horizontal to their earth, it seems. And it looks like sky is meeting the like sun. Su- Summer is a season of agriculture in Europe. So in Europe summer season they like agriculture, it is also called as an agriculture season for them. Summer season, crops mature in this season. So during this season the crops also get matured, means they grow and they'll be ready for harvesting. There is no need for irrigation as occasional showers are sufficient for the crops. So here no need of providing water separately, because there will be light showerings throughout the year. It will be raining throughout the year, right? So those rains are sufficient for the crops to grow. No irrigation, no supply of water is necessary there. At the end of the summer, the crops are ready to be harvested. By end of the summer season, the crops will be ready for the harvest. Means they will be grown and they are ready for cutting purpose. Right. See here the environment you can see during summer season how it will be. So the summer season starts by June and it ends by August, and it doesn't rain much there during summer season. And even you have to note a point, by 4 a.m. they'll be having sunrises, and by 8 o'clock in the evening sunset is going to be happening there. And few countries like Sweden, they don't even have sunset there. So those countries are called what? Lands of midnight sun, right? And no special provision, like no specially providing water is done there, because the occasional rainfalls which are there, which are the rains which are falling, they are enough for their like for the crops to grow there. By end of summer, they'll be ready with the crop for harvesting. And it looks like earth is meeting the sun. Earth and the sky are meeting, because the sun raises will be horizontal towards their earth. They'll be not straight direct, it is be horizontal. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe.